The Javan Frogmouth is a small to medium-sized bird. It is also known as a bark clinger or ghost bird. Its mouth is extremely wide and can open very large, making it highly adept at swallowing insects. Long rows of bristles grow on both sides of its mouth, giving it an adorably goofy appearance. The Javan Frogmouth is active at dawn, dusk, and nighttime. Its plumage is dull in color, making it a natural master of camouflage. When at rest, it remains completely still, blending seamlessly into its surroundings and becoming very difficult to spot. At night, its vision and hearing are both highly acute. Its dark reddish eyes are particularly sharp, making it well adapted for nocturnal hunting. The Javan Frogmouth is distributed across eastern and western China and is listed on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species.